Okay, this triangle and any other triangle that we ever make or ever are given, of course they have three angles, that's why they're called triangles, but if we add those three angles, we will always get 180 degrees. So, for instance, in this problem, I'm going to call this the green angle, we'll call this the red angle, and we'll call this the blue angle. If we add up all three of these angles, or any three angles in any triangle, we're always going to get 180 degrees. So let me write what I just said. I'll write part of it in blue. The blue part will be 72 degrees. Plus the red part, you can do these in any order. The red part is 5x, plus the green part. You don't have to use colors, of course. Plus the green part, which is 4x. And if we add all three of these up, it will always equal 180 degrees. So we have to find the value of x to make this true. And to do that, we just have to simplify or combine like terms. For instance, the green and the red terms, these two terms, if we add them up, they're like terms. They both have an x. That's why they're like. So let me write this equation over. The 180 part will stay the same. So will the equals. And so will the 72 degrees. But if we add up 5x and 4x, we're going to get 9x. 9x. Remember, we need to find x. That's what the question asks us for. I forgot my degree symbol here. So we're going to get the x, we have to subtract 72 degrees from both sides. I'm going to subtract 72 from this side and from that side, 72 degrees. And if I do that, I want to shrink this so I have more room for just a second. If I do that, oh, that didn't go with it. Let me undo that for a second. Okay, there we go. Okay, if I do that, I'm going to get 108. These will cross off. These will cancel each other. The 72 and the negative 72. But if I subtract 180 minus 72, I'll get 108. 108 degrees. 8 degrees, and I'll have 9x on the other side. So to find x, all I have to do is divide both sides of this equation by 9. By 9. Okay? And so when we do that, I think we get 12, don't we? Yeah, no, 8 divided by 9, yeah. So if you divide this side, the 9s will simplify or cancel. And if you divide 108 degrees by 9, or 108 by 9, we'll get 12 degrees, or x equals 12 degrees. X is 12 degrees. They already put the degree symbol in your answer on IXL. So in this box, you'll put 12 degrees. Now, before I leave this problem, let me put a 12 in here. Before I leave this problem, what I want to make sure you guys see is why this answer is correct. So our answer is 12 degrees, and x is 12. Remember what I said at the beginning is that in any triangle, including this one, if we add up all three angles, we're going to get 180 degrees. So what I'm going to do here, instead of 5 times x, x is 12. Remember, x is 12, that was our answer. This angle will be 5 times 12. 5 times 12 instead of 5x. And 5 times 12 is 60. 60 degrees. This green angle, instead of being 4 times x, will be 4 times 12. 4, that's too thick. 4 times 12. 4 times 12 is still too thick, but that's going to be equal to 48 degrees. So the green angle is 48 degrees. The red angle is 60 degrees. And the blue angle is 72. Let's check. If we add up 72 degrees, the blue angle, the red angle, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and the green angle, 48 degrees, we should, to check our answer, always get 180. Okay, and let's double check the arithmetic here. This adds up And that'll give us 8 and 6 is 14, and 4 is 18. Yes, those do add up to 180. So our answer is correct. Anytime you do these problems, by the way, you want to get a piece of paper or something to write these on, so that you can set up an equation the way that I did here. Let me stop that right now.